In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account address in Odoo. If you need to update the address linked to your account in Odoo, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can make the change quickly and without confusion. Start by looking at the top right corner of your Odoo screen and clicking on your profile. This is where you can access personal account-related settings, and it's the first place to go whenever you want to update information connected to your user profile. Once you click your profile, select My Preferences. This section contains the settings and personal details associated with your account. It's useful not only for updating your address, but also for reviewing other information related to your profile. After that, go to the Private tab. This tab is where Odoo stores your private personal details, including your address information. If you've never opened this section before, take a moment to look through it carefully so you know where different details are located. Here you can change your address and other private account details as needed. Make sure to enter the updated information carefully, especially fields like street address, city, postal code, or region, so everything stays accurate in the system. Keeping this information current can be important for internal records, contact information, or any processes in Odoo that rely on your account details. As you make your changes, it's a good idea to double-check the entries before moving on. Small typing errors can cause issues later, so reviewing everything once before finishing can save time. If your organization uses specific address formatting, try to follow that format for consistency, and that's really all there is to it. To change your account address in Odoo, just open your profile from the top right, go to My Preferences, open the Private tab, and update your address details there. It's a quick and straightforward task, and now you know exactly where to find it whenever you need to make changes in the future.